Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll explain how to complete your prerequisite courses and how many courses you need to complete, how to complete and how you can access the courses, everything I'll explain in this video. So make sure you watch the video till end. If you are new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates and free courses. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so you never miss out any latest updates. So this is the mail which we got from Infosys Springboard about the prerequisite. So we need to read the starter kit and we need to complete any two required courses from one of the track, that is cloud computing or data science. If you choose cloud computing, you need to complete two courses and I'll show you how to do that. So don't worry. So this is the starter kit. Let's go through this once. So basically we have two track, that is data science and cloud computing. Here you can see this starter kit is your roadmap, like you need to complete the courses and the program will begin on July 1. Before July 1, you need to complete this roadmap, that is the prerequisite courses. It is 100% free and online. Next, how to use this starter kit. You need to read the track overview, complete the required courses, arrive ready on July 1. And here is the eligibility criteria. You must complete any two courses to be you must complete any two courses. You must complete any two courses from one track. Next, course completion will be verified on Infosys Springboard platform, and both courses must be completed within the same chosen track. Means if you choose cloud computing, the two prerequisite course should be from cloud computing, not from other track. Okay. And learners, those who do not complete the prerequisites, will not be eligible to attend the cohort 9, and you can apply again for the next cohort. So for this cohort, you won't be eligible. So you must complete the prerequisites. And who is this program for? It is for graduate students, postgraduate students, career break women, aspiring professional. But so it is for any women, those who are 18 plus and eager to build a future in tech and non-tech. So the first track is data science. So here is the track overview, like what is data science, what it does, and everything. So data science is the art and science of extracting meaningful insights from data. And you can read this once. Next, if you choose data science, what are the career opportunities? Like what are the job opportunities you might get after learning the courses? So the career opportunities are you can become data analyst, data scientist, analytics consultant, market research analyst, business intelligence analyst, data engineer, product analyst, quantitative analyst. Next, here are the prerequisite courses for the track data science. From these three, you can choose any two courses and you can learn them. So, first one is ChatGPT for data science and machine learning. So, the duration is 1 hour 59 minutes. It is online and it is free. If you click on this, you can access the course. Login. Click on login with Google. So, this is one of the course from the track data science. So, you can complete this. How you can complete? You just can click on start, and after you complete, you can see this progress bar will be filled. Okay, just click on start. So you'll get a window like this. Just maximize it, and here you can find all the details about that course. So what you will learn and related topics, and here are the course contents. You can expand all the sections, like what are there, what need to be done. So you can see the duration, like introduction will be of one minute, and then how to install ChatGPT, how ChatGPT can boost your productivity, everything you can learn. And here you can see what this course included. It includes 2 hours on demand video, 3 articles, 25 downloadable resources, access on mobile. You can access it in a mobile also, and certification of completion. So if you want to do this course, just click on enroll now. Sometimes many of you are facing that it's asking for paying some amount. So why it is happening means it is redirecting to Udemy business website. So it's showing like that. But if you are getting to pay something amount, don't pay anything because it is free of cost. If you face that issue, just come back and open this again. You can just click on open in a new window and just you'll get enroll now here, right? Just click on enroll now, then you'll get the course contents. like what to do. Here are the course contents. You can start one. So first introduction, then traditional data science methods. You can go section by section, complete all sections. So you can watch videos and you can read PDFs and all. And here you can say Q&A, question and answers. Like many of you will be having doubts, right? You can answer or you can question here. And just go one by one. And here also you can find the resources like patient.csv files, data processing medical, and some other resources, right? So you can just check out this, and also you'll have to give assessments. So here you can see assignments also, right? Assignments, you need to complete those assignments. In this way, you can complete the prerequisites. And here you can see your progress here. And if you finish this course, you'll get a certificate. Okay. So in a similar way, you can go with any other prerequisite course from this. So this is about data science. Next, if someone wants cloud computing, then you can just review this. Then you can just go through this track overview. What is cloud computing and all, just in a short. And what are the career opportunities. You can become cloud engineer, cloud solution architect, cloud security analyst, cloud support specialist, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, platform engineer, infrastructure analyst. And here are the prerequisite course. So there are total 3 courses. Out of 3, you can complete any 2. So this is same process. So you can see this is 45 minutes, 56 minutes, 2 hours. So if you're running out of time, like you have very less time to complete, then I would recommend you to complete any courses which has less duration so that you will be eligible for cohort 9. Okay, you can choose this. See, it is only 45 minutes. Like if you are running out of time, you can choose which are of less duration. And accessing the course is the same as I showed earlier. Just you need to click here, click on start, and in this, how you can find the courses, on contents, and here you can find out. You can go one by one, or you can navigate like this. Okay, you just need to watch the videos, and finally, you can give a self-assessment here, which will be of 5 minutes. Okay, and once you complete, you can get your certificate here. Here you can see your progress bar will be filled, and here you can generate your certificate. So this is the way you can complete the courses. So read through this starter kit completely. You can go through this. I have already explained. And you can set up the profile I have showed already and complete any 2 courses if your track of choice. So out of data science or cloud computing, choose one, and from that any 2 prerequisite courses you can complete by June 29. And keep an eye on your email box to receive updates and link for your first live session. So there will be a live session, so keep checking your mail regularly so that you don't miss that live session. And also subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell so that I'll keep notifying you about these updates. And here are the key dates. So by June 29, you need to complete prerequisite, and July 1 cohort 9 begins. And if you face any difficulties, you can just mail to this mail ID. They'll try to resolve your issue. And so yes, that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, please like, hype, and share this with your friends. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.